Aman was a 20-old-year man living in a small town. He always dreamed of speaking English fluently, but he couldn't afford an English speaking course, and no one in his family spoke English. He felt stuck. J- one day, Aman made a promise to himself, I will turn my home into my English classroom. He began small, saying good morning instead of namaste, naming things around the house in English, and even talking to himself while making tea in just 6 months. Aman shocked everyone. He was speaking clear and confident English all by learning and practicing at home. Now let's learn how you can do the same. Start your morning in English. Morning is the best time to begin speaking English. Your mind is fresh and your day is just starting. So use this time to build a small English habit. You don't need a teacher or classroom. Just start with simple words and sentences. When you wake up, don't just think in your native language. Try to say good morning to yourself in English. Stand up and say I am getting out of bed. When you go to brush your teeth, say I am brushing my teeth. When you take a bath, say I am taking a bath. These are easy daily actions that you can describe in English. You can also speak about yourself. For example, now I am feeling sleepy or I am happy today. If you drink tea or coffee, say I am drinking tea or this tea is hot. Even if you nobody is around, you speak out loud. Pretend you are teaching someone else. This help you feel confident. If you don't know a word, look it up on your phone or write it down to check later. This small habit can change your life. Speaking English in the morning set the tone for the day. It make your brain ready to use English again and again. Remember, you are not trying to perfect, you are trying to practice. The more you speak, the better you get. Just like Aman in the story, your journey can also start with a small step, and the first step is speaking English the moment you open your eyes. So tomorrow morning, don't say I will try, say I am trying. I am starting my day in English. Create an English environment at home. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to live with English every day. You need to see it, hear it, speak it, and think in it as much as possible. Of the best way to do this is by creating an English environment at home. Even if you no one else speak English with you, starting by labeling things around your home. Take a small paper and write the English name of thing: mirror, door, window, fridge, table, remote, pillow. Stick them on the item. Every item you see these words, your brain remember them slowly. You will learn vocabulary without even trying. Next, change the language setting on your phone or TV. English. It may feel strange at first, but you will get used to it. You will learn many useful words just by reading menus and setting. It's a smart and easy way to improve your reading and word knowledge. If you live with family or friend, ask them to speak small English sentences with you. For example, say, please give me water instead of saying it in your mother tongues. If you don't know English, teach the word you know. This become fun and helpful for your for both of you. Also place motivational English quote or small English sentences on your wall. For example, you can speak English. Practice make perfect. I learn from my mistake. Reading these lines daily build your confidence and positive thinking. Trying to think in English during the day when you are walking, cooking, or washing. Speak to yourself in English. Say think like I am cutting onion, I am cutting tomato, this pan is hot. Don't worry about grammar or mistakes. Just speak at night. Before you sleep, review your day in English. Say to yourself, today I cooked rice. I cooked rice. I watched an English movie. I learned five new words. This will help your brain store the English your practice. The goal is to make English a natural part of your daily life. When English become your environment, your fluency will grow without stress. Teach someone what you learn. One of most powerful way to learn English is to teach it someone else. Yes, it may sound strange, but it really works. When you teach, you are not only helping the other person, you are also helping yourself. Teaching helps you remember better, speak more clearly, and understand more deeply. Let's say you learn five new English word today. Don't just keep them in your English in your notebook. Instead, go to your brother, sister, mother, father, or even a child at home and say, "Let me teach you something new today." Then explain the word in a simple way. For example, this is the word apple. Apple is a fruit. It is red or green. We eat apples. The word big means something that is large in size. My house is big. When you explain these things to someone else, your brain start to understand the word better. You begin to remember the meaning, the pronunciation, and how to use it in a sentence. Also, if the person asks you a question, it make you think more carefully about what you are saying. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to speak like a teacher. You just need to share what you know. Even if you only know a little English, that little English can help someone else and help you grow faster. If you don't have someone to teach, then pretend, stand in front of a mirror and act like you are teaching a class. Say, think like today. We are going to learn how to say hello. Repeat after hello. How are you? This is called self teaching, and it is a fun and effective way to practice speaking. Another good idea is to make a short lesson at home. Take a notebook and write down what you want to teach. You can write a small topic like five fruit in English, color in English, part of the body. Now speak those lesson out loud to your pretend student or a real one. If you someone with you, you can even make it a game. Ask your friend or family member to repeat after you. Give them a small test. Ask what is the color of the sky. When they answer, say good job. This will make learning fun for both of you. When you teach someone, you also feel more confident. You start to believe, yes, I know something, yes, I speak English. So remember, teach what you learn, share your English. Share your English, grow your English. Your home can be your classroom, and you can both the student and teacher. So start turn your home into your best English school. So now you know you don't need to go outside or join a big English class to start speaking. Your home is your best English school. You just need a small daily habit. Speak in the morning, talk to yourself, use English with family, teach what you learn, and create an English environment. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Step by step, your confidence will grow, and one day you will look back and say, "Wow, I really speak English now." If you like this video, you don't forget to like and share, subscribe to channel, and in the comment tell me which tip are you going to be try to first at home. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking this English. Thank you. Thank you. I will meet you next video.